Hey everyone, it's Monday night for me, and you guys are going to probably be watching this on Tuesday because everything came in late. So I'm just going to unbox the motherboard today. This is an Asus ProArt X670E-CREATOR. I am going to pair it with this AMD Ryzen 9. She is a Ryzen 9 7900X. I wanted the 7950X, but they were having a flash sale on Black Friday, and my fingers weren't fast enough. I think the lot they had sold out in 15 seconds or less. So I tried to get the motherboard from a few places. Newegg ended up selling out. Amazon, believe it or not, sold out. I ended up having to get it out of a computer store out of California. So I ended up getting one for the shop PC and one for the kid. So they're not cheap. This motherboard's about $500. So I covered up my serial number, but you can see she is sealed. I have not broke the seal yet on this one. This is for an unboxing. Said I'm doing this out of my pocket, so I wish you guys would like and subscribe so I can get up to 1,000 and maybe start monetizing. I am going to be using this to do video editing, or I should say learn video editing. It's a little project here. Hopefully I can have a powerful enough computer to do some video editing and provide better content. It is going to be paired with a 3070. I already opened the 3070s because I was using it, playing with it. So another thing I already opened is the HDMI capture card. These are not cheap either. So I'm still debating on how I want to do the microscope. If I want to upgrade or downgrade my microscope so that I can add a trinocular camera port on it. I don't know. We'll figure it out when that time comes. But I will have 4 HDMI inputs for hopefully better cameras at the first of the year. I'm still trying to decide what cameras to get. That's not going to break the bank. But let's just get with the program here. Let's cut the seal. Here we go. Ooh. There we go. She's cut. So, you know, I see all these unboxing videos of these guys that have got, 20, 30,000 or 1 million followers. And you just gotta wonder, if it's real or not. I mean, they're actual reactions, But, I mean, Asus always gives a decent cardboard box. I mean, this presentation is pretty. So, so what do we got here? There's a bag in there, it looks like. I'm going to assume this is a Wi-Fi antenna. Here we go. Yeah. I figured it'd weigh a little something, but that thing weighs nothing. Cool. Yeah, I've never had a $500 motherboard before. I hope it's worth it. It's supposed to have 2.5 gig and 10 gig LAN. It's got Wi-Fi 6E, so it's the super fast Wi-Fi. So grab it by the static bag. What's in the bottom? Yeah, nice form fit. Got a book. Always useful to figure out all the header pins. Back I/O, but we really don't want to be looking at books, do we? Just want to see what's inside here. What was that? That was Asus web storage, trying to sell you some more stuff. Asus Control Center Express. Okay. Oh, we got more. Let's see, where's Skizzers? And oh my luck, we're gonna get dogs barking and motorcycle, dirt bikes running down the street. Let's see. So you get, looks like 2 straights, almond. You get a 90, and those are common. So then you get, what's in this here? Try to keep it all on the hub and up here, in the frame of the camera. These are the accessories. This is the display port, because you're supposed to be able to go display port out from your GPU to the display port in on the motherboard, and then you can use the newer USB-C monitors. So, and this is awesome. It's a little header that you can use to, let me just open this up. We're opening crap tonight, right? So, this you can put all your headers in and then plug it into the motherboard. That is a handy little item, so you don't have to sit there and try to get your hand into an area that you can't get into. So, that's cool. I'm going to say these are standoffs for the SSDs, the NVMEs. This is for use single-sided M.2 SSD. Stick the pad onto the existing M.2 pad. Yeah, another one. So it's the same thing. So then this. Let's see what that is. I really got no clue what that is. So that's going to stay in the bag. I think I do know what this is. I think this is a spare NVMe lock. Yeah, that's what that is. Then looks like a plug of some sort. Well, then the rule. I don't know. Measuring stick in metric. Let's just open this up. We are opening things. Cool. Oh, there's inch. Wonder how much that's worth. Okay. The money shot here. Let's see. All right. Yeah, I'm not into all the RGB light and bling. I wanted future expansion. That's why I went with the AM5. But look at this. That is black and pretty. I think, you know, Asus go into the LGA, the land grid array, is might be wise, might not be wise. You know, I just gave my serial number out. Oh well, I'm not gonna worry about it. I'll register it before I post the video. So let's go to the IO side. Ooh. Man, this board is heavy, and it's got integrated IO shield. I don't know if I'm staying in focus or not. Look at the bottom. Just start at this corner. Wow, I'm surprised how heavy this board is. I thought it was just filler in the box. See if I can focus. Hope the other wasn't out of focus. But if it was, oh well. I'll focus a little more there. Wow. But, okay. Let's look at the all those LGA pins. Man, that's a lot of pins. Wow. That is a lot of pins. So I'm not going to go through all the headers and stuff. I think everybody else has done that, but I do like that because it would be a pain in the butt to get your GPU unlocked. So that is awesome. It's got a standard 24 pin, plus you got to add an additional. So yeah, let's get that back into full frame here. Did it again. SOB.